Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. We're standing in front of a beautiful floor plan. This is an open, never leased floor plan, and I wanted you to see it. It's the Q floor plan. It's 1766 square feet, and it's the Hanover Autry Park. Let's walk in. I'm just going to do a brief walkthrough so you can see it. So the benefit of this floor plan is you have a absolutely enormous area to enjoy a professional lifestyle, and look at all these windows. It's just amazing. So you're going to have downtown views, you're going to have wonderful park views, and you're going to have a wonderful balcony. Isn't this amazing? So right over there is the bedroom, and then you're going to have the study right over here. It's well lighted. It's a good size, and you could fit 2 chairs there if you reasonably sized chairs there. And then look at this beautiful kitchen. Isn't this gorgeous? This is just delightful. I love this. There's the other bedroom, and this is a guest bedroom. And then here is the bath. With this, it does have a walk-in shower and really nice size walk-in closet as well. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. If you'd like to get more information about this and other floor plans, reach out to us. We're a free service. We'll help you find the perfect place at the Hanover Autry Park or at another residence in Houston. And it's always 100% free service. Reach out to us at uptown101houston.com/search. You can text me directly if you like, 214-492-9791.